What's up, guys? This is Legend, and if you watched my last video, this is part two. So like and subscribe, help me out. I'm just trying to grow. I'm trying to teach people the right way, not financial advice, but let's get right into it. All right. Now, like I said in my last video, you booked the dollar, the VIX, the NAS, the Q stocks, Apple, Tesla, Amazon, Microsoft, Google, you know, NVDA. Those are the stocks you need to run when watching this. Now, let's talk about the VIX real quick. The VIX is not a stock, it's a fear index. That's what a lot of traders don't know about either. I'll make a video about the VIX, come check that out. I'll describe it a little bit better. Now, but on the VIX, you need to watch the VIX when you trade. We usually have this line right here around $35 to $40. We have spiked higher than that, but when this goes up, that means there's a lot of fear in the market. When we have these downtrends, that's when you need to start buying TQQQ. Because when this downtrends, that means the market goes up. So we're at the highs right now on the VIX. So that means we're getting a lot of oversold in, the triple Qs. Like we're past June lows. So right now would be a great time to buy TQQQ, and you can start knocking out these swing trades. You know, like this is the last time I bought, TQQQ for $34 a share. Or sorry, right up here. I bought Sqqq, sorry. I bought this at $34 a share when we were right here on Sqqq. And then we downtrended. And I went from 34 to 63, $64. I doubled my money in 3 weeks. Didn't even have to do anything. If you're a doctor or mechanic, this is how you should trade. Swing trade. Stop worrying about day trading. Day trading doesn't do anything. You can do good, but swing trading is so much easier, so much laid back. But this is the dollar. This is something that you need to pay attention to also. When the dollar is super high, that means the market's going down. When we have a strong dollar, that scares people. That's not good for the market. But when the dollar is going up, like here's the 30-minute chart. From the 4th to the 11th, the dollar is going up. When the dollar looks like it's about to make a run in between, usually the lines of support. So pretty much like this. So that's the line of the support for the dollar. So notice how it came down here, bounced. We still have quite a bit of a gap to go before we start downtrending. So right now, when this goes up, usually the market goes down. And when the market goes down, that's when you jump into Sqqq. That's where you get these runs. Now, when the market bottoms out, that's when you jump into TQQQ and start riding these long waves up. So like here was June lows, right? So if I go to TQQQ, it was around $22 around June lows. We had this huge rally in the NAS. Then QQQ followed. And TQQQ followed. That's why you have to dig in a little bit and see what drives these stocks. So this is the companies that drive QQQQ. It's Apple, Tesla, Amazon, Microsoft, Google, and a couple other big ones that you need to watch. You need to learn the gaps in these companies. I'll make a video about that. Go check it out. And then you need to make, see where the resistant lines are. Like right here, we have buying support around here. We're hitting buying support. Like stuff like that. You need to learn a little bit more about how to read these companies, because when these companies perform well, especially Apple, look at these runs in Apple. When we know that it's going to come to an end where it's too oversold and we start picking up for these bull runs, it's going to drive QQQ up, and it's going to drive the NAS up. The dollar will come down, the VIX will come down. I'll make a couple more videos I'm going to do a morning trading videos, what you need to learn and how to prep, how to trade Sqqq and Tqqq. And then I'm also going to make an afternoon one and a closing time because there's still some events that happen. And then I'm going to teach you about another video about how major event news, like the FOMC meeting tomorrow, the inflation number, big in news about inflation numbers and stuff like that will affect QQQQ in a huge way. So I'll show you a live trading view, session with the event coming tomorrow, and check that out. I'll show you. It's pretty crazy. Sometimes SQQQ or TQQQ can run 13% in a day. Come check it out. I'm Legend. Thanks.